Well, now shifting focus to the global energy market, Saudi Aramco is expanding its investments in China as a part of a strategic push to transform more of its crude oil into chemicals. This move is set to include additional investments in chemical plants in China this year and also next. Well, Saudi Aramco, the world's largest crude exporter, is already in talks to acquire a 10% stake in China's Hengli Petrochemical Limited, along with seeking similar deals with two other Chinese companies. Well, last year, Aramco closed a separate $3.4 billion deal for a stake in Rongsheng Petrochemical Company. Aramco aims to upgrade their existing facilities in Saudi Arabia to increase crude to chemical conversion capacity from 2 million to 4 million barrels a day. Aramco's Chief Executive Officer Amin Nasser noted that China's energy transition towards solar panels and batteries, which use more plastics and other oil-derived goods, is a major factor in this investment push. Aramco is also focusing on strengthening gas production by 60% by the end of the decade to replace oil in power plants and free up more crude for exports. Additionally, Aramco is expanding its liquefied natural gas trading operations. Last month, it signed an initial agreement for a stake in Sempra's Texas export plant, and it has agreed to a 20-year contract to buy 1.2 million tons per year from next decade's core, which is the planned Texas project. On Wednesday, Aramco also agreed to increase its stake in Saudi Arabia-based Rabigh Refining and Petrochemical Company with a $702 million deal. Now, with all these moves, Saudi Aramco is positioning itself to capture a larger share of the global chemicals market while adapting to changing energy demands. The company's strategy, it underlines a shift towards long-term investments in markets like China, where demand for petrochemical goods is expected to grow. This expansion in China and other markets is a part of Aramco's broader strategy in a bid to secure long-term buyers and also strengthen its position in the global energy sector.
发了包括深海潜水地层水平井为代表的32项。